Hey gardeners, if you like useful tips for your garden, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell so you don't miss a new video. Today we discover how lemons can become your new ally in the garden. Did you know that lemons are not only a delicious addition to food, but can also have several great uses in your garden? Today we will show you how this citrus can help fight pests, improve plant growth and maintain soil health. If you have problems with ants, aphids or other small pests, lemons can be a great solution. Make a simple spray by squeezing lemon juice into water and spritzing on affected plants. The acid in the lemon repels insects, and your garden remains safe and chemical-free. Some plants, like blueberries and hydrangeas, like acidic soil. If you want to raise the level of acidity in the soil, simply squeeze the juice from a lemon and add it to the water you water your plants with. This is a natural way to provide them with the right conditions for growth. Gardening tools can rust quickly, but lemons can help in this situation as well. Rub half a lemon on the metal parts of the tool to remove rust and clean them. Citric acid helps break down rust, and your tool will last longer. Don't throw away lemon peels. Although they are rich in acid, you can add them to the compost, but in smaller quantities. Lemon peels speed up the composting process and add beneficial nutrients to your compost, which will contribute to soil fertility. As you can see, lemons have many useful uses in gardening. From natural pesticide to soil improver, this simple fruit can become your great ally in the garden. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and be sure to send it to your friends on social networks. Write in the comments how you use lemons in your garden. See you in the next video.